This is Rosa Rugosa. This is the kind of rose that you find on the side of the road in the Cape or Maine. And this you take an aggressive approach to. Wear gloves, cut it back, and you have to shape these things. These get big. They just keep growing in the season. So cut it back dramatically, I would. Just cut off that huge piece. I already took a pretty good whack at it last fall, so it doesn't have a lot to do, but you want to thin it right out, open up the middle, give it some light, and then it'll fill in, trust me. And just cut it way back. Just go after it. It doesn't need to be precise. You're just going for down and dirty, get it done, so you can move on to the next thing, and that's it. See what I'm saying? Dramatic. It'll pay off. So basically just going down, and if there's stuff that's dead in the, in the middle, just get rid of it, because it's not doing you any favors. For bigger pieces, you can use loppers, which is those big ones that go like that. But here, I don't think I really need them. I know it seems dramatic, but it will pay off. Ooh, I can't get that one. Go. So if you want it to go wider, you can actually foster the growth by leaving them a little longer on the sides. In this case, I don't really want to do that, so I'm going to go in closer. And that's it. That was like 5 minutes.